Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you a how-to video on how to fold your clothes when packing for a trip. My main goal for this video is to try to teach an effective and easy way to pack your clothes. Now, if you're like me, I always pack a lot of clothes every time I go home or every time I take a trip. I always feel that I need to bring this, I need to bring that, or I'm gonna forget something. So I just pack everything, honestly. Then again, if you're going on a trip for about a week, you need to bring enough clothes that can last you. But certain flights, when traveling, you can only take a carry-on or a book bag. So you can only pack so much clothes. So I'll try to make an easier way for you to pack your clothes and bring enough clothes to fit on a carry-on and a book bag. Now your carry-on doesn't have to be that big. It needs to be a suitable size to fit in the overhead compartment. So you must have shoes, shirts, pants, jackets, underwear, shorts, toiletry bag, travel bags. So now you're ready and have everything to begin packing. All right, first when start packing, start with your travel bag or your carry-on. Typically, I start with my pants first because it is one of the bigger items. When I start packing, I start with the bigger items, so I'm gonna use pants and jackets first. Now, one of the most important steps when you first start to pack for a trip is to pick your airport outfit. All right, so I just set out my airport outfit. So my pants, I have them both up like this. I fold them hot dog style to make them long. Then I bend them halfway with each other, take a half of it, and then another half. Now typically with jackets, I also do the folding as a hot dog method. I fold them halfway, and through the back, I make sure that the arms are together. I have both arms halfway, and I have both arms. Now with this, I fold this one. I fold the arms like this, fold them again like this. Now with the half that I actually have, I'll try to make it as even as possible. And then I fold a half down like this. The next largest item are the shoes, but those go in towards the end after I have folded all the clothes. Now with the shirts, I typically get both arms to get an easy way to fold them. Both arms, cut it down the middle halfway, and then just roll them up. Get it just like this. Next will be the underwears and the shorts.
The underwears, I just fold them like this, put them in half. Fold, put them in half.
Now with undershirts, I typically fold these halfway as the hot dog technique that I have been using, and fold them like this. Have them like this. I hot dog, fold them halfway, hamburger one time, and I'm done. You have your pants, shorts, jackets, shirts, undergarments. Now when packing the carry-on and packing your pants, I learned a neat trick. When you have them like this, you can fold them one more time and tuck them deep in your carry-on. So as you see, I have pushed and folded all my clothes in this back corner of my bag, and I also have this side and a whole nother half. I typically try to roll them up as much as possible before putting them in the bag. So now half of my bag is complete with jackets. Now that half of your bag is complete, you can put in the shoes to fill in the other half. A tip that I have learned when packing my shoes. So with your socks, you just want to push them in as far as you can, and that will take up room for your socks, and it will help keep the shape and form of the shoe. Now, I typically like to put my shoes in like this to utilize as much space as possible. You can start working on putting your shorts in. Now, after you're done putting in all of your shorts, you will see you have an extra row, and this is where your shirts will go. See, in the earlier video, I rolled them up. This is where you can put the rolled versions and just stuff them in your bag. Now, this is where you'll put your shirts. As you see in the earlier video, I rolled them up. This is where you can put the rolled versions and just stuff them in your bag. Now that you have all your shirts with your undergarment shirts, you can just put them in like the t-shirts periodically. Lastly, for the underwear, there's a side. Now, with any extra slides or small items, you can place them on the top of your clothes. Now, I did have an extra pair of shoes, and I can put those in my book bag. Lastly, you can put your toiletry bag in your book bag. Now your carry-on bag is finished and ready for travel. Now you have successfully prepared and packed for a week's worth of travel. Thank you for tuning in to my how-to video. I'll see you guys next time.